Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I have a new addition to my content creation arsenal. I've wanted this item for so long, but I've just been hopping from one side to another, checking the price and saying, do I really want to buy this thing? Do I really want this thing? But you know what? A couple of days ago, I just literally just beat the pill and I did it. Guys, I just got new set of lights. And I cannot wait to unbox it with you guys. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Toyosi Gregory-Jonah, and on this channel, what do I do here? I create motherhood, fashion, lifestyle, and tips around relocation and running your business from afar are part of the things that I talk about on this channel because I'm currently running one back home in Nigeria. So I have always wanted to buy this item because I started feeling some type of way about my content, about how I have shadows sometimes and how much, I don't really like the way the lighting of my setup is and all of that. Just wanted to just upgrade. I started to look, online. I've told you guys before that whenever I want to buy something, I'm always checking reviews and all of that. So I started to review, check other YouTubers, what they're using, so that I'll be able to make an informed decision. Then I finally came to the decision to buy this particular one. After, a couple of my friends who are also in the business of YouTubing said, okay, they use this and it works for them. So guys, unfortunately, I had a scenario in this video and I just want to ask that you just ignore it and just listen to, what I have to say in the video. I don't want you to let the air situation distract you. Yeah, I just thought to get that out of the way. So what did I buy, guys? I'm just going to quickly grab it and show you guys. So, as usual, it's always quite... Ooh, guys, I bought the Neewer LED video light. Yes! You have no idea how excited I am, you guys. Like, I'm so excited about this thing that I cannot even wait to start to unbox it and show you guys every single thing that is in there, because I know that every single content after this time is going to be lit, y'all. You know how you want something for so long and you will just be like, wait, let me just buy this thing. Like, this thing was giving me sleepless nights. It wasn't because of anything. It was just because I just wanted to be sure that, I was making the right decision, because this thing is too expensive for somebody to buy and then it will not come. You will not like it, or it will not be waste of money. So I really took my time. I took my time with this one. So I'm just quickly popping it open and then I'm going to open it up. Trust me, I'm definitely going to be putting the link in the description box down below of the exact one that I got. Everything in there is pretty much like that. And I'm just going to start to... So the bag has like different compartments. I don't know if you guys can see the compartments, because I'm so excited. I was really worried that this thing was going to be a lot and I have to be, because I really was considering the fact that there are two different lights. So they had like different packages. You could buy the one that had 3 LED panels. You could buy the one that had 2. I don't think I need 3 because I already have the soft boxes and I have some other small lights. So I bought the one that had 2 LED lights. I think, yeah, it comes with the remote and all of that. So this is how it looks right off the bat. This is how it looks. It's actually very compact. It is NL Neewer LED video light NL660. 660. So I'm going to bring that out. What else is in here? So it also comes with, okay, I think that's the light adapter. That's what so I'm supposed to screw that on here to hold it, and then this will probably go onto the light stand. Now there is this in here. Okay, this says 2.4 gigahertz wireless remote. I'm going to pop it open and show you guys what it looks like. In there also is the manual. Okay, so it's just a pretty basic remote. That's what the remote looks like. That's basically what it's like. Put that back in. The power pack. There are 2 power packs in there. Like I said, I've got 2 panels. Then this is the second panel. That is the second panel. One thing that I want to say while I'm just doing this, guys, is that this thing is very, very compact. Trust me. I like the fact that the bag is compartmentalized so that everything goes into its space. And once I put everything in here, this one bag just fits into its own space, and my light is not all over the place and causing any kind of nuisance. That is very, very important, because I know that in this house, one thing they've complained about a lot in this house is that, oh, there's so many content creation equipment lying around the house. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm assuming that this is a stand. Yeah, I thought as much. So this is the light stand. This is the light stand. This is how it looks. The basic light, light tripod stand. And I think once I fix this on the panel, then this goes in here. Yeah, that's it. That's it, really. Honestly, that's it. So there is another. There's another light stand inside the same container. I don't think there's any need to bring that out. It's the same thing as the one I brought out before. Also, it also comes with this screws, and I think this is what you use to screw it, because this is like the only screw I've seen in here. So this is most likely the screw that you use to screw this head onto the panel, and I'm going to quickly do that now. So you guys, one thing that living abroad has turned me into is a handyman. I literally just want to, once I see something that needs to get done, I just want to try it. I just want to try. Did I not tell you people that this is what it's for? I said it. Can you see? It screws on and that's it. Oh my God. This is like, it's like when they say plug and play, this is what they meant. So it's pretty much plug and play, and I've just screwed it on, and that's it, guys. That is it. It's ready to use. I'm so impressed. I am so impressed by the fact that this is very, very easy to use. So I'm going to pop out the tripod now, and then we'll try it out. And then I also like to put it in, try and use it to set up lights in my video, so that we can see the difference between this current setup and what this one is going to produce, so that I will know whether it is premium tiers or premium contents. It's so easy to super easy to assemble. That's a big plus, guys. That is a big plus. Done. And all I need now is I can increase the height. The only thing I feel is that I feel like this stand is a little bit flimsy. I've always felt that these stands, especially this style of stand, is always very flimsy. Maybe because I've always had and you can increase the height to whatever height you want. Maybe because I've always had really strong, those bigger, like more professional stands for my lights, So I always just think that these ones are always too, they look like they're going to fall off 1 minute. Anyway, so I'm going to open this up now for you guys to see. Adam is behind the camera smiling. I'm wondering why. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. Adam, can we plug let's plug it and see. Do you want to come and grab this for mommy? Thank you, Adam. So see what I'm going to do. I'm going to quickly plug the power pack, connect it to the adapter. So you grab that. So of course the power pack has this. It's 13 amp fuse, and it has that thing that usually comes with fuses. Yeah, I'm excited. I know.
Yeah.
Adam, are you excited too? To see what this is going to do, yeah, with our videos. So guys, I say an absolute yes to this light. If you're thinking about buying it, go for it. I would like you guys to tell me in the comment section below which one you prefer. Do you prefer it with the LED light on its own, or with the soft boxes that I have right now, or do you prefer the one that I used to have before? So let me know. But I think I'm loving it, guys. I think I'm absolutely in love with how it looks right now.
That doesn't look bad. It looks
wow,
quite good.
Adam, see how fresh you look. Okay, so I think we're good.
Yeah.
But do you like it?
Yeah.
I think I like it too.
It's really nice.
Yeah, and then the videos will look better, right?
Yeah.
Excited? Teamwork makes the dream work. Yay!
Yeah.
I got a new light. I got a new light. So guys, this is my opinion and impression about this light. I feel like this is value for money. This was a bit over £200. I'm definitely going to put the link in the description box down below just in case any one of you wants to buy. And I hope that you find this video useful. It helps you enough to make a decision. If like me, you were tongue-in-cheek about the size, or you were wondering if it was too big or anything like that, I'm saying to you right now that this light is so compact. I'm so happy about it. It's very, very bright and it did the work. Obviously you guys can tell from the comparison between the setup I had before and when I used the LED light. So guys, this is my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you find it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Toyosi. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I put up a new video, which is every single week, you will be the first to know. I am a TJ Jonah on all social media platforms. And the news is that I am nicer on Instagram. So hit the follow button and let's connect. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye, everyone.